channel Knowledge Star, Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Nisha Masroor. In this video, we will get to know about the ocean zones and life. Now, our expert Dr. Neelu Nawani, Professor and in charge of Microbial Diversity Research Center, PhD Coordinator, will explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
Let's look at what the ocean would have. What kind of divisions would it have? So you can see here, if you are talking about a deep point, most of the times the depth of the ocean would be 6,000 meters or lesser, but sometimes you have these trenches which are as deep as 10,000. Now this zone, the top zone, it is called as the photic zone. This is the only zone which receives light, whereas the remaining is dark. So if you are going for an expedition and you are diving in the ocean, only for a few meters, 200 meters only, you will see light. After that, if you go deep down, you will see it is all dark, a very dark world, unknown world completely. You don't know what you will encounter. So this photic zone is the zone where all the life activities happen. And the remaining zone, the aphotic zone, is divided into pelagic categories like mesopelagic based on the depth, bathypelagic, abyssal pelagic, and hadal pelagic. Now, what we mainly have to remember is that this is the pelagic zone and this is your benthos, that is benthic zone. And the benthic zone is again divided into bathyal, abyssal, and hadal, the same kind of distribution. But here it is the soil which you are going to collect, and here it's the water that you're going to collect.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
Now this zone is called as a neritic zone, the zone which is near the shore. And this is the zone which would be green. It will have a lot of animals which will come to breed. And there is always a transition happening from the remaining ocean to the neritic part. So if you look at the type of life which is found in the photic zone, you will find planktons, the smallest creatures. Phytoplanktons, they can do photosynthesis, and zooplanktons, of course, they are not capable of photosynthesis. You will also see that you will get jellyfish, you will get sharks, you get turtles, you get corals, you get weeds over here, seaweeds, what we call. And as you go deeper, more towards the aphotic zone, you will find a little larger animals, octopus, then sperm whales, then sponges amongst the plants and the sea pen. It's not a plant, it's an animal again. And the deepest part, that's the anglerfish, rat-tailed fishes, glass sponges, cucumber, and so on. So this sea floor is also a very interesting sample to study. There will be a lot of diversity, lot of variety based on how the floor is, what it is made up of. And something called as hydrothermal vent. It was the place from where vent polymerases were discovered. So a hydrothermal vent is a place or is a point where earthquake has happened in the volcano has happened on the ocean floor. So a volcanic activity has happened and it always would be spurring out lava. Okay, so it is a mixture of hot and cold happening. Near the hydrothermal vents, you can find that the temperatures can go up to 300 degrees centigrade. And there are specialized type of crabs, which are called as vent crabs, which happen to populate more towards these particular hydrothermal vents. And therefore, they are used as bioindicators for the hydrothermal vents.
Hope you liked the video. Here, I would like to give you an important information that Nanoscience and Technology Consortium or NSTC organize the nanotechnology workshops on very interesting topics. Also, I would like to tell you about the initiatives of NSTC.
in which you can also be a part of, like mentorship, patent commercialization, joint product development, research projects, consultancy services, nanomaterials for your research projects, training programs or customized training programs, workshops or customized workshops. So that's all. If you want to see these type of videos, then please do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.